പാർലമെന്റ് നടപടികൾ പുരോഗമിക്കുന്നു. തത്സമയ സംപ്രേഷണം.
आने के बाद भारत की धरती पर जब उतर गए तो आप भी उनको सम्मान देने के लिए तैयार नहीं। हरियाणा के कैदी वैन में हमारे नागरिकों को ले जाया गया, कैदी वैन में सर, अपनी धरती पे।
पूछिए,
छोड़ दीजिए क्या अमेरिका ने जो किया उसके साथ तो आप खड़े ही हैं, उसको तो आप बखान कर रहे हैं। हमारी धरती पे उनके साथ कैदी वैन में उनको लाया गया। छोटा सा जो हमारे और भी लोगों ने पूछा, छोटे छोटे देश अपना जहाज भेज के अपने नागरिकों को अपने अपने देश में ला रहे हैं। क्या भारत के सरकार की आगे योजना है कि आप अपना जहाज भेजेंगे? आप ऑपरेशन गंगा का जिक्र करते हैं यूक्रेन में, आप कोई ऐसी योजना बना रहे हैं अपने नागरिकों को लाने के लिए? अंतिम सवाल सर 33 इसमें गुजरात के लोग थे, हरियाणा के लोग थे, पंजाब के लोग थे, यूपी के लोग थे। आपसे मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, आपकी धरती पर अमेरिका के सेना का जहाज आ गया और आपको पता तक नहीं चला? आपने जानने की कोशिश तक नहीं की? आपने जानने तक कोशिश नहीं की कि एक टॉयलेट में शर्म करो आप लोग, एक टॉयलेट में 104 लोग अमानवीय तरीके से लाए गए। एक टॉयलेट के इंतजाम में 104 लोग
देखिए
अमेरिका से हिंदुस्तान लाए गए।
सुरजेवाला had in a very focused manner asked, please don't, one second, Professor Manoj Kumar Jha ji, I expect from you
I will not repeat.
You will add extra.
I assure you,
Minister
sir.
has taken note of what has already
I
been said.
assure you, sir. I'll not repeat any of the points mentioned by any of my colleagues.
Please go ahead.
My first query, explanation from Honorable Minister, sir. It involves us all. The images were worrisome, and that's why you have made a suo moto statement. Because the images were worrisome, I have a couple of issues to seek from you. How much advance notice that the government of India received for this US deportation?
Yes.
And how many much more are in the pipeline? Number one. Number two, did the Indian embassy or the consulate provide any kind of legal or consulate service sought by them?
Yes.
Or if not at all, what was? What the government is doing about the agents and agencies which openly on their website claim that they'll make you reach your favored destination.
Yes.
And sir, before I conclude, my query is, sir, there might be illegal infiltrators or whatever for US. For us, they are our genuine citizens. हमारे नागरिक हैं, और चूंकि हमारे नागरिक हैं, how does this deportation align with India's broader policy on protecting its citizens abroad? Will the Indian government raise this, particularly the inhuman aspect of it, which scares us all, intimidates us, at a multilateral platform or in a bilateral manner? Thank you very much, sir.
Dr. John Brittas. Dr. John Brittas.
Sir, being a member
only new points.
Sir, being the member of a standing committee, that is MEA, please give me 3 minutes.
Sir, don't ask time, make only new suggestions.
Sir, only new. If it is old, please strike it off. Sir, is it not a fact that countries like Colombia, Mexico, Brazil...
Now, Dr. John Brittas,
question,
it is
sir.
fourth time you are reiterating. It has been said.
Sir, I am quoting. Sir, I am quoting.
Please,
I will only
appeal to you.
I will only say new things, sir.
Professor Manoj Kumar Jha came up with new points. Come with new points.
My question, only new things, sir. Is it not a fact that New York Times reported that military planes have rarely been used in the past by the US deportation? First question. Second question, Honorable Minister listed about the deportations. In the past, all these deportations the minister referred to, were they undertaken in passenger aircrafts or in military aircrafts? Third, as per the unstarred question on 28/7/2022 on Rajya Sabha, is it not a fact that the minister had said that any violation of immigration laws is brought to our notice, our missions, post abroad, and seek consular access? In this case, were our missions alerted? Were the details provided to our mission? And the fourth question, sir, International Human Rights Convention, India is a signatory to UN human rights treaties. Is it a fact that it emphasizes humane treatment in deportation cases? And the fifth question, sir, the lack of data. As a member of the External Affairs Standing Committee, we have been agitated over the lack of data with regard to the Indians abroad. And the sixth point, sir, illegal agents. Will the government do something to ensure that illegal agencies are busted? Thank you, sir.
Honorable Minister, if you would like to respond.
Sir.
Honorable members, please bear with me. No. All right, Honorable Minister. No. One second. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav, unfortunately, there was no input from your side, and therefore I thought.
Sir.
No, that has been covered. Professor Saab. Professor Saab,
ये जानना चाहता हूँ।
I urge both the professors to be in the same boat today.
मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से ये जानना चाहता हूँ, ये जो डिपोर्टेशन हुआ है, इससे पहले क्या इस संबंध में आपकी वहाँ के अधिकारियों से बातचीत हुई थी? नंबर 2, जो लोग डिपोर्ट हुए हैं अभी या पहले भी, क्या उनकी वहाँ कोई संपत्ति है? और अगर संपत्ति है तो उसको लाने की क्या व्यवस्था की गई? क्योंकि मेरी जानकारी में है संपत्ति लोगों के पास।